What if a single supplement could boost not only your strength, but also sharpen your mind? Creatine, often seen as just another tool for athletes, holds far more power than you've been told. Why does it fuel explosive energy and, at the same time, protect your brain? How can something so simple make your muscles grow faster and your brain work smarter? The secret lies in how it floods your cells with energy, making every rep stronger and every thought sharper. But what happens when you tap into this hidden potential? Let's uncover the full story. Are you enjoying this video? Be sure to watch it until the end to learn even more about the topic. And don't forget to check out the other videos on my channel. I'm sure something will catch your eye. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications to stay updated with all the latest content. Your support is essential for the channel's growth, and I'm counting on you. Creatine performance. Creatine acts as a real fuel for the body in times of greater physical effort, allowing the muscles to obtain energy quickly and efficiently. Its main function is to assist in the regeneration of ATP, the molecule that carries energy inside cells. During high-intensity exercise, such as weightlifting or sprints, ATP is quickly consumed. Creatine acts as a reserve, regenerating it and allowing the body to maintain performance for longer. Without this action, energy is quickly depleted, resulting in early fatigue and a drop in performance. Those who seek to improve performance need to understand this mechanism. In addition to its energy function, creatine also acts directly to increase muscle strength, which makes it an indispensable supplement for those who practice activities that require explosion and endurance. It allows more weight to be lifted or more repetitions to be done during workouts, which, over time, results in significant gains in muscle mass and athletic performance. The process of rapid energy replenishment allows the body to stay in an anabolic state longer, which promotes muscle growth. Creatine, therefore, is a powerful ally for those who want to maximize results. Another aspect that is little talked about, but equally important, is the role of creatine in the hydration of muscle cells. By drawing water into cells, creatine creates an environment conducive to protein synthesis and muscle repair. This not only helps with post-workout recovery, but also protects the muscles from severe damage caused by intense activities. Keeping muscle cells well hydrated is a little-known secret to continued muscle growth. If you are looking for quick and effective results, it is essential to ensure that this cellular hydration happens. Benefits of creatine. When we talk about the benefits of creatine, the first thing that comes to mind is the increase in muscle mass. And this is not by chance. Creatine facilitates an optimal environment for muscle growth by stimulating water retention and improving protein synthesis. Studies indicate that the proper use of creatine associated with intense workouts can result in significant gains in lean mass in a short period of time. For those seeking hypertrophy, creatine is a powerful tool that cannot be ignored. If you are stagnant in training, adding creatine can be the difference to break this barrier. Another benefit that many athletes and physical activity practitioners observe with the use of creatine is its ability to improve athletic performance. It allows the body to maintain high levels of strength and explosiveness during high-intensity exercise. The result? More reps, more sets, and a more efficient workout. This makes the benefits not only restricted to muscle growth, but also to increase strength and power. If you want longer and more intense workouts, the use of creatine will provide you with this ability. The benefits of creatine are not limited to the physical, as it can also be an ally for brain health. Recent studies point out that creatine can have a neuroprotective role, helping to preserve cognitive functions and even prevent neurological diseases. This makes it a substance of interest not only for athletes, but for anyone concerned about overall health. Incorporating creatine into your routine can, surprisingly, bring not only physical, but also cognitive gains, ensuring a healthier body and mind. So now you know creatine isn't just about bigger muscles, but sharper thinking too. But what happens when you push your body beyond its limits, and your mind stays just as focused? Why does this simple compound hold the key to unlocking both your physical and mental potential? The deeper question is, how far can you really go when both your strength and mind are in sync? The next time you step into the gym or face a tough challenge, think about this. What else could creatine unlock within you that you haven't even tapped into yet.